genetic drift operates. Genetic drift operate. Genetic drift, it operates in small isolated population. Genetic drift operates in small isolated population. Genetic drift, the idea was first proposed by an American scientist, Sewall Wright. Sewall Wright. So genetic drift is also called Sewall Wright effect. Sewall Wright effect. What is Sewall Wright effect or genetic drift? When the population becomes small. When population becomes small means in terms of size, in terms of number of organisms in that population. If the number of population decreases, that means the population size decreases. Population size decreases. What happens? There occurs change in allele frequency. Change in allele frequency. I may cut short it. I may sum it. That is, when the population size decreases, allele frequencies in the population changes. This change in allele frequencies in a population due to decrease in size of the population, it is called genetic drift. So it operates in a small isolated population. What is the importance of genetic drift in evolution? Genetic drift causes variation in population. Causes variation in population. Variation is an evolutionary force. Variation propels evolution. Variation pushes the evolution. So genetic drift is an evolutionary force. Genetic drift is an evolutionary force.